If you're looking to explore AI image generation without spending a dime, Leonardo.AI is a great option. Every day, you can receive 150 free credits, allowing you to create up to 6 images daily at no cost. In my experience, one of the most impressive styles you can achieve is cinematic kino, which tends to produce remarkably realistic images. Today, we're trying out some pretty unique and unexpected prompts to see how the AI interprets them. I'll walk you through the ideas behind each scene, and we'll watch as these prompts come to life. Let's go ahead and generate 6 distinct photos together. Let's get started with our first prompt. For this first one, we're exploring character personality. Picture a confident, middle-aged woman engaging in playful flirtation, not for romance, but with a clear goal in mind. Her body language is casual, maybe even self-assured, arms crossed and gaze steady. It's all about creating a vibe where her confidence and motives come through. Next, we're heading into a bit of a dreamscape. Imagine seeing someone walking towards you, a beautiful, intriguing stranger who instantly feels like someone you could fall for. But as you get closer, the surprise hits, it's actually someone from your past. This prompt taps into that blend of nostalgia and surprise. Now, for a change of pace, picture yourself a little tipsy, strolling down an empty street on a warm May evening. There's a slight breeze, and maybe you're feeling a touch of solitude, even craving a bit of random connection. This scene is all about capturing that peaceful vibe with a sense of openness to the world around you. Let's step back in time for our next one, right to the beginning of the Eiffel Tower's construction. Imagine the excitement, the ambition, and the early efforts of workers shaping one of the world's most iconic structures. This prompt is all about capturing that historical energy of the day construction started. This one's a bit different, a landscape designed to be soothing, almost therapeutic. The goal here is to create a scene so calm and inviting that just looking at it helps you relax. It's all about using colors and details to create a space that feels tranquil. For our last prompt, we're reimagining the Mona Lisa, but at 15 years old. There's something captivating about imagining her with the same mysterious charm, just younger, with a hint of the iconic smile we all know. This image is meant to capture her youthful spirit and essence, showing a bit of the mystery she'd later become famous for. With the free credits available, we can also easily remove backgrounds from the images we create and save them directly to your computer. And that's a wrap. It's amazing to see how AI can turn these prompts into visuals, each with its own mood and story. If you enjoyed watching these ideas come to life, please give this video a like and subscribe for more creative explorations with AI. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.